Hello students, today's topic is errors. Errors in measurement. Now, what is an error? Error is equal to the difference between the true value and the measured value of a quantity. We can write that as error is equal to true value minus measured value. Next one is accuracy. Accuracy and precision both are very important. Now, what is accuracy? Accuracy refers to the closeness of a measurement to the true value of the physical quantity. As we reduce errors, the measurement becomes more accurate. What is precision? Precision refers to the closeness of two or more measurements to each other. For example, if you weigh a given substance 5 times, get 3 kg each time, then your measurement is very precise. Types of errors. First, we need to discuss systematic errors. The errors which tend to occur in one direction, either positive or negative, are called systematic errors. Different types are there: instrumental errors, imperfections in experimental technique, personal errors, errors due to external causes. Instrumental errors. These errors occur due to the inbuilt defect of the measuring instrument. If any defects there in the device, we can't get the correct value. That will affect our measurement. Such an error can be removed by measuring a physical quantity by two different methods. Imperfections in experimental technique. These errors are due to the limitations of experimental arrangement. Next one, personal error. We all are doing experiments. Due to us, some errors are causing there. All these are known as personal errors. We can say all these due to the individual's bias, then lack of proper setting of apparatus, then our carelessness. All these are the reasons for personal errors. Then the way what we are using in lab for measuring the values, all these are there. Then the last one, errors due to external causes. These errors arise due to the change in the external conditions like that pressure, temperature, wind, etc. Random errors. The errors which occur irregularly are called random errors. These errors can be minimized by repeating measurements a large number of times. Arithmetic mean is taken as the true value of the measured quantity. Least count errors. The least count error is the error associated with the resolution of the instrument. Then what is least count? Least count is the smallest value that we can be measured by the measuring instrument. Okay, the smallest value that we can measure using an instrument is known as least count. Gross errors. These errors occur due to the carelessness of the person, or we can say due to the improper adjustment of the apparatus. Absolute error. The magnitude of the difference between mean value and each individual value is known as absolute error. Here we can take A1, A2, A3, etc. An as n measured values of a physical quantity. Then the arithmetic mean of these values we can take as the true value. True value is A mean, arithmetic mean A1 plus A2 plus etc. An by n. If we take arithmetic mean, that we can note as A bar as the true value, then the absolute error in the individual measured values will be for the first one. A1 we can take that error delta A1 as A bar minus A1, delta A2 A bar minus A2, like that delta An A bar minus An. Mean absolute error. The absolute mean of the positive magnitudes of all the absolute errors is called mean absolute error. For each value we can get absolute error. Okay, from that we need to find the mean. That is known as mean absolute error. So here delta A bar, that is mean absolute error. We can write that as magnitude mode delta A1 plus delta A2 plus etc. delta n by n, then 1 by n sigma I equal to 1 to n delta AI. The final result of the measure we can write as A is equal to A bar plus or minus delta A bar, delta A bar. Relative error. The ratio of the mean absolute error to the true value of the measured quantity is called relative error. You know delta A bar, that is mean absolute error. A bar is the true value. So here relative error is equal to delta A bar by A bar. Then percentage error. The relative error, if we can express in percent, then we can call this as percentage error. That is denoted as percentage error is equal to delta A bar by A bar into 100%. Thank you.